everyone, welcome to Sushi Cat. I played a little bit in the random collage games, so I decided I would finish it up, and I'm thinking about changing my schedule. I'm just experimenting right now. I'll be posting videos on Friday, a few videos to finish. And I'm talking about like doing Diner Dash and Sushi Cat, but I think it will be worth it. And I'm going to be for Diner Dash doing endless mode and also the normal game because I was just showing you bits and pieces while I was recording. To let me know if you want to see Sushi Cat 2 and the rest of the collection because I'm not as good as them. Because I tried to collect gold in sushi, which gives little outfits, so it takes me about 4 hours to complete the game. So, if you want me to, I'll do the gold sushi and sushi cat too, but if not, I'll just like show you the outfits in the game, like look up on Wikipedia the outfits or something like that. And just play the regular game of Sushi Cat 2 and stuff like that. And yes, I do not play games that a lot of people play. I stick to my own category, but even though they may not be common among other YouTubers, I'm still happy playing them. They play their thing, I play my own. I don't really care about collecting extra sushi because I've already won the game. So if I don't get any sushi, it's just like I'm not gonna freak out. Of course, I get one more cat. It's a random one. I'm talking about the Maneki Nekos, which is the little cat figure you see popping up like double score, one more cat. But I do hope you enjoy me playing the less popular games. In the meantime, I'll just keep posting this until I finish it. So I'll be posting every day for a little bit until I'm done with the game. And I'll also explain Diner Dash once I get to playing that also. Well, I like stuff like the tsunami roll, or I think it's a tsunami roll. I didn't really read what it said. The problem is when your sushi cat eats too much, your character can get stuck. Or it may not stuck, I may just be getting impatient before it goes and falls into a box or certain area like over there. And plus, I don't have as many good moves by doing this over here. So let's do shade grab. Oh good, I don't have any more sushi to collect. I didn't see that. I thought, oh no, I need more. And by win the game, I meant like completed the level. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Basically, they're happy noises. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.